Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this 20V cordless drill driver, the model PABSP 20LIC4. Parkside performance with brushless motor. Compatible with all batteries in the X20V team series. Bare unit only, battery and charger not included. High quality drill chuck made of metal with radial locking. Rotation speed first year from 0 to 500 RPM, second year from 0 to 2000 RPM. Torque levels 21+1 drill setting, max torque 60 Nm. Drill chuck clamping range from 1.5 to 13 mm. Max drilling diameter 38 mm in wood, 13 mm in steel. Ready to connect, wireless control, download the app, Parkside app, and use this power tool. I will show you of course. Recommended battery 4Ah, you can use the regular batteries or the smart batteries. Compared to the Parkside non-performance cordless drill, this one has 50% higher torque, 10 times longer motor life due to the brushless motor, and 40% higher drilling speed with a 5 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Nice case on a black and red color. And included we have the manual. If you want to read this, your choice, but stay with me, we're going to find out all about this product. One belt clip with a screw and the tool. Here you can have the charger at this position, 8Ah professional battery, another battery here, nope, you can install another battery here at the power tool. Everything place it very conveniently at the box. Soft grip. Soft elements around the power tool, I like it. We need to connect the belt here with this screw. Later I will do that. We have the on-off switch and speed control, left and right, rotation, Parkside, brushless, performance. The connection status LED after I will connect the battery, 60 Nm. I like it, small, compact and very robust. The gear selector, first, second. The torque sleeve, you can adjust from 1, 21 and 1 drilling mode. The chuck, maximum 13 mm. That was all. Lock it and unlock. So easy. And of course, to use this tool we need battery. You can use the 8Ah professional or 4Ah professional or the regular batteries. Let's use the 8Ah. LED working light at the power tool, very convenient. We can see on the blue LED it start flashing. I need the app. Parkside app, and I need to add the tool, 8Ah battery, there it is. Finish. Connecting. 93% ready to use. Let's wait for a few seconds to recognize the power tool. Disconnect the battery and reconnect again to recognize the power tool, and there it is. You can rename, direction of rotation, left, there it is. Now it says right. Operation mode, you can choose performance or eco. Kickback sensitivity. You can enable, disable. Let's go performance. Let's check that. I need to check that when I'm working with a power tool, when it's drilling. Fade out time. This is for the LED. There it is. You can see the overheat count, block count, overcurrent count, total tool operation time, current temperature, lock battery, you can set a pin, discharge voltage, discharge current, overheat notification, you can enable, disable, identify the battery. There is the LEDs at the battery are flashing. If you have more than one battery, you know which is the battery. Current charge, discharge current, working hours, charging cycles, discharge cycles, device information. And that is all about the app, how you can use the app with the power tool. Now let's move on for testing. Delivers exceptional torque and speed, suitable for demanding tasks like drilling into wood, metal and masonry, or driving screws effortlessly. Ideal for assembling furniture or construction projects. Perfect for home improvement and craft projects, a reliable tool for professionals in construction, carpentry or electrical work. Easy to use features makes it great choice for those new to power tools. is a robust and efficient tool offering exceptional power and versatility. Whether you are tackling demanding professional tasks or everyday DIY projects, this cordless drill driver is designed to deliver reliable performance and convenience. That's the Parkside Performance 20V cordless drill driver. With its powerful brushless motor, adjustable torque settings and robust 20V battery system, this drill driver is the perfect companion for your toughest DIY projects. From precision drilling to heavy-duty fastening, it delivers performance and reliability every time. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more in-depth tool reviews, DIY tips and project inspiration. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay powered, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next video.